Guys, this is Mobeen. We are talking about microbiology. The lecture today is about Staphylococci. In this lecture, we'll talk about the characteristics of the Staphylococci, and then in the next lectures, we'll talk about the diseases and then the management of those. Today, we will talk about high level the diseases and the management, but we'll go in detail later on. So let's start. Staphylococci, this genera of bacteria, is based on the following common characteristics. These are spherical, gram-positive pathogens that lack endospores. They lack endospores and are catalase positive. These are catalase positive. Remember, streptococci were gram-positive, rounded, but catalase negative. Presence or absence of coagulase enzyme subdivides Staphylococci genus into more virulent Staphylococcus aureus, which is coagulase positive, and Staphylococcus epidermidis and Staphylococcus saphrophyticus, which are coagulase negative. Now remember this as well, that Staphylococcus saphrophyticus is Novobiocin resistant and Staphylococcus epidermidis is Novobiocin sensitive. These are the three medically important pathogens in this genera. Otherwise, there are 49 species and 27 subspecies in it, which we will not talk about. Let's look at the chart that places these pathogens on the gram-positive scale. As mentioned above, these are gram-positive cocci. These are catalase positive, so they go in this branch. And S. aureus is coagulase positive, so that separates out, while S. saphrophyticus and S. epidermidis are coagulase negative. However, S. saphrophyticus is Novobiocin resistant and S. epidermidis is Novobiocin sensitive. So while at the topic of genera and species, let's find out where these pathogens live on our body.